Pirivasharanam Srimatre Namaha. Navaratri Day 1. On the first day of Navaratri, goddess Shailaputri is worshipped, who is said to be an incarnation of Devi Parvati and Kali. She is said to be riding Nandi Bhagavan. It is said that demons Madhu and Kaitaba were slain on this day. This year, color of the day is yellow. For whomever possible, you can dress yourself as well as the goddess in your house in yellow color vastra. Flowers to be offered, jasmine and bilva. The photo of Mata Shailaputri is given for worship. Next, the stotra to be chanted is Lalita Pancharatna. Any stotra of your choice can be chanted. For easy convenience, I have selected one stotra. The audio of the same is shared in the description box of this video. Those who don't know to chant the stotra, you can also listen to the audio. Mantra to be chanted: Om Devi Shailaputrayai Namaha Shvetavarnayai Vidmahe Shulahastayai Dhimahi Tanno Maheshwari Prachodayat. Naivedyam to be offered: Pongal, Karamani Chundal or the black pea chundal, Rasam rice, lemon rice, Parpu payasam, that is kheer made of lentils, Aval payasam or poha payasam, and Shakara pongal. Now all the recipe links of this Naivedyam is shared in the description box of the video. Please note, out of this list, any one Naivedyam also can be prepared. If nothing is possible on all days of Navaratri, you can offer boiled milk with a bit of sugar or cooked rice with a drop of ghee, fruits, dry fruits, anything of your choice. If nothing is possible, even a glass of water is fine. Most important is Shraddha and Bhakti that we have towards the goddess. Now on all 9 days of the Navaratri, Lalita Sahasranama and Durga Saptashati or Devi Mahatmyam can be chanted in praise of the goddess. If you don't know to chant, you can again listen to the audios. The same is shared in the description box of this video. Similarly, Archana can be done to the goddess on all these days. You can chant any stotra or Ashtottara Shatanamavali, Trishati, Lalita Trishati, Lalita Sahasra Namavali or Durga Lakshmi Saraswati Shatanamavali, anything of your choice. Or you can also chant any stotra or Lalita Sahasranama and offer Archana. While doing Archana, you can offer Manjal, that is turmeric, Kunkuma, flowers or coins. On the first day, it is very auspicious to use Manjal and Kunkuma, that is turmeric and Kunkuma for Archana. Now, kolam can be drawn every day outside the house as well as in the puja area where you do the regular puja, maybe where the kalasham or the golu is kept or where the daily puja has been done. Also, lamps can be lighted either outside the house or near the tulsi plant on all the 9 days of Navaratri to invite auspiciousness and prosperity. Similarly, ladies and girls, kanyas, can be given tambulam during the 9 days of Navaratri. So let us all have a blessed Navaratri and a blessed Navaratri day 1.